Hi, Samadai from Samadai Tech, and I'm going to be showing you how to install Zoom on your computer. So this will be applied to Windows 10, Mac OS, and Linux. I'll be using Windows 10, but Mac OS and Linux is pretty similar. But before we continue, all the opinions are my own. I pay for the system, programs, with my own funds. Zoom is not sponsoring me for this video. I haven't paid for anything for Zoom, given no details. Anyway, I can't give my details online. But let's continue and I'll show you how to install Zoom. So what you need to do with Zoom is to go to their website and download two files. If you are, these two files are optional add-ons, but these two files will be, one will be for Outlook if you have it, and the second one will be Skype for Business, formerly known as the Link. If you don't have these two additional programs, then don't bother. I'll just show you the main installation and then the two optional as well. So let's head over to my computer. On your computer, open your web browser and make a new tab. Now I'm going to look up Zoom Download Center. Once it's loaded, go all the way, download the various ones you want. So it'll be Skype for Business, which I've already downloaded. There will be Skype for Outlook and Meetings. To download them, go to and type in 99.com. So this is the main installation for Zoom. Now I'm going to select Zoom, so that's what I want. There are various other programs you may want. So whilst you're at it, just select the program you already have installed or you like to install from here. So VLC, I would like that. I would like Handbrake. Yep. Download. So let's wait for it to download. It shouldn't take too long to download. Let me just go to, I'll save my desktop for now. Preparing setup. This shouldn't be too bad. Yes, offline. Alright, now you can close your web browser once you've downloaded all the installation files. And when you open the install, it might say, do you want to accept this, admin rights? And you would say yes, of course. So let's install all the required programs. Alright, done. So I've updated my programs. And yeah, now what I'll get you to do is, what I'll do now is go to a web browser and I will type in Zoom, search Zoom, I'll search with Google Zoom, I'll Zoom sign in. I'll go search up Zoom login, but this is close enough. Then I would say, if you have a Google account, do that. If you don't have a Google account, but you have a Facebook account, do that. And if you have neither, then make an account. Sign in with your Google account. I would select my account, select the password, alright, it might ask you a few details if you make an account for the first time, and then it might ask you for add-ons. So I'm going to add the add-on. If you have a Chrome-based browser, you add the add-on, like for Google Chrome. If you have Firefox or Firefox-based browser, you'll do this. Yep, Okay, got it. So I've installed that. Now, I would get you to go to your downloads, or wherever they're downloaded, wherever they are, for the Zoom installers. So here's the Outlook one. Yep, accept, next. This is just an add-on where it gives you a few extra functions in Zoom, so you don't have to leave Outlook to schedule a meeting, and then it'll add it to your calendar in Outlook if you want. Yes, I would like to run as an admin. So the Outlook one and the Skype for Business one, which was formerly known as Link, or Microsoft Link, is optional add-ons, but does give you extra functionality. Then I'm going to select the Link. Yes, I would like to install. Close. Alright. Now once that's done, close that and locate Zoom. For me, I'll just go down to Z and Zoom, start Zoom. Or Zoom, it might be known as. So Zoom is starting up. You might say sign in with your Google account. Once it asks you, select your account. It might say open Zoom, or might say X, or something. So if it says open, then there you go. And over here, I've got Zoom. So over here you can do a new meeting, you can schedule, you can share your screen, you can join a meeting, you can chat, meetings, contacts, you can add, share a contact, and so forth. So yeah. So that's how you install Zoom on a computer. Pretty straightforward, does everything you want. It's free to set up and install. There are paid functions, but they're optional if you want. Anyway, I'm Sam. Thank you for watching.